There's not a single day that passes without you on my mind. Not even 1 minute can end up before you come around. I yearn for the days when I see your face, you before.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and today's video. Today I am going to be doing a clean with me. This is going to be tidying up before my husband comes home from work. I mean, there's not much to tidy up, but I do need to strip my bed down, clean the sheets, make it up, clean the kitchen, vacuum, things like that. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and let's just get on into the video.
There's not a single day that passes, not even 1 minute can end up. I yearn for the days when I see your face, you before me. I yearn for the times you held me in your arms. I wish that you were here to give me everything I want, but I know that hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need to kill a dragon for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. Still, every time, whatever it is, I keep on trying. 'Cause it ain't hard to forgive when you know what it's like. That's why I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need to kill a dragon for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need to kill a dragon for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. I don't need no.
Alright guys, that is all of the cleaning for today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, again, don't forget to go ahead and give it a big thumbs up and subscribe, and also go follow me over on Instagram. Yeah, I am hot and sweaty and I just need to go chill because it is hot today. But yeah, so I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!